Welcome back to our channel, where today we're sharing the ultimate guide to achieving radiant, glowing skin with our top tips for skin brightening. Tip number 1. Stay hydrated. Drinking an adequate amount of water helps keep your skin hydrated, preventing dryness and flakiness. Hydrated skin appears smoother and more radiant. Tip number 2. Use sunscreen. Sunscreen protects your skin from harmful UV rays, preventing sun damage and hyperpigmentation, which can make your skin appear dull and discolored. Tip number 3. Cleanse and exfoliate. Regular cleansing and exfoliation remove dead skin cells, promoting cell turnover and revealing fresher, brighter skin underneath. Tip number 4. Eat a balanced diet. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and antioxidants can help improve skin health. Vitamins and minerals in these foods can enhance skin brightness. Tip number 5. Get adequate sleep. Proper sleep is essential for skin regeneration. During deep sleep, the body repairs and rejuvenates, leading to a brighter complexion. And that wraps up our skin brightening tips. Remember, glowing skin is just a few steps away. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more skincare insights. Thank you for watching.